Hi everyone, this is Cindy Create the Heart, and I'm back with my fourth and last Merry Days project. I'm using Merry Days by Crate Paper. For these projects, I've used the chipboard, the 6x8 paper pad, as well as any leftovers from my 12x12 projects. Some of the cut aparts from the 12x12, the ephemera, and I think that's it. So let's go ahead and get started. And I also use the cards, the Merry Days cards. That's upside down. The Merry Days cards, which I got from Tuesday morning. Those are all done. So let me show you. So I've got these little tags that I made using the chipboard. This was a cut apart from the 12x12. So little tags, and then I put some cording on it so I could tie it onto a package pretty easily. And let's go ahead and get started. So basically what I did was I cut my paper at 5 1/4 by 4, which means that out of the 6x8, I could get 2 cards from each of these. So here's this one using chipboard, this one using the ephemera. Chipboard. I also use some stickers. I think it's the Fa La La stickers from Tuesday morning, or that I got from Tuesday morning. It's this. And then one of my videos, I talked about how some of the cards have these little ornaments that you could pop out on the card. So I don't know, I found it kind of annoying to send a card with that on there. So I actually popped this out. I think I made a shaker out of on my tag flip using the other part of it, but I just put it on the card. Right. Okay, so there's that. And I didn't count how many, so I'll have to count. This was the tag that's on the chipboard. And then this is the chipboard. I don't know, I just like the simplicity of this one. Thank you. It's the ephemera. And then here's this one. And that one. And this was just like the last thing that I did. Just leave that one on there. There's that. This is from the 12x12 cut apart. This was also 12x12 cut apart. And we have this one, and this swan is chipboard, and then this one I popped up, and this was the ephemera. So you can't hardly even tell. I think this one has glitter. The ephemera has glitter. And then this one, simple. And the ephemera pieces. This is one of the, is this one of the cards? I don't think so. Merry and Bright. This is one of the cards. I just left this one plain. I didn't cut that one up. This one also, I didn't cut this one up. But you can see what I mean by the ornament. So I didn't cut that apart. So this, I didn't cut this one apart. This one I left plain. This one I cut. This one is actually the back of this one. So I got 2 cards out of it. And then this one, I just took the ornament and I popped it up a little bit, gave it some dimension. But that was the back side of this card. There's the chipboard. This was a cut apart, ephemera, chipboard, and the ephemera. So out of that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, I'll just count these, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35 cards plus 4 tags made, and I still have 6x8 paper left. I have quite a few sheets of 6x8 paper left, and just some scraps from the 12x12, and I think I just have the clips, and I might have some of the little puffy stickers, but that's it. I pretty much finished what I wanted to finish with Merry Days. So thank you very much for watching. This is Cindy of Cricut the Heart.